Welcome friends. This is the login screen. We are having multiple property functionality. If you have more than one property, you can do multiple operations from one point, i.e. back office, reporting and monitoring, etc. The individual property will be visible to each user as per user rights. Let's start with the reservation. To make a reservation, we can search for guests with a name or mobile number. The corporate can be selected, booker can be selected. A new booker can also be added. The hotel can allow any guest to do self-check-in, a new corporate can. Rate on registration card can be shown or hide as per requirement. Reservation can be made as confirm, waiting, or tentative. If the reservation is for a group, then click the group and fill the information of the group. For making quick group reservations in few seconds, click here. Room type wise availability will be visible. Fill any number of rooms of any room type up to maximum availability and the total number of packs in individual room type. It will automatically calculate and show the number of rooms with packs. Room number can also be allocated and rearrangement of packs can also be done. Without filling each guest's information manually, it can be uploaded through the Excel sheet in the format which can be downloaded. This filled format can be uploaded from the saved place. The guest details of all rooms are visible now. Guest-wise more details and services can be saved from here in detail, like passport details, pick and drop, any extra charges as per taken service, linking a loyalty card or create new loyalty card, guest vehicle, documents upload, billing details, and different revenue head discount if any, and save guest details. Filling all this information is optional, otherwise you can just save reservation and fill all information later on. If any corporate has a critical level outstanding, then alert show this. Reservation did. You can print the voucher, print pro forma invoice, mail pro forma invoice, send SMS or mail for reservation confirmation. If click mail, it will open. You can make changes in the saved template for individual need, then send. This way any reservation or especially group reservation done. Simple reservation can be done from the room chart also, that will be explained separately. Now when we do check-in, we can do walk-in and can do against any reservation. Let's start reservation check-in. While clicking reservation, all reservations will display. Any reservation can be searched by anyone parameters like reservation date, booker, company, arrival date or departure date, and many more. Select any reservation and click check-in. All reservation information will be displayed. Corporate guests will appear like this. Any change in it can be done by clicking the edit icon. If room-wise guest details had not filled during reservation, it can be filled through Excel sheet upload here also. By clicking save check-in, done with an automatic allotment of rooms. A digital signature can also be taken by clicking this. A photograph can be uploaded. For verifying all details and do digital signature, all details will appear. Click next, terms and condition will appear. After digitally signing an accept thanks message come and it registered like this. By clicking save check-in will be saved. But in this case of the corporate guest which has outstanding, so not allowed to check in as corporate. Guests can check in removing corporate only. Now after check-in we can print the registration card and see form and send SMS and email confirmation with the option of editing the template. Thank you.